Hi everyone, welcome to the Crypto Weekly Forecast for Jan 2, 2025. Hope you're all doing great and very happy new year to you and your loved ones. So let's start with the weekly forecast. For news events on Monday, Jan 5, we have ISM Manufacturing PMI at 9 a.m. On Wednesday, Jan 7, at 7:15 a.m., we have ADP non-farm employment change. At 9 a.m., we have ISM Services PMI and JOLTS job opening. On Thursday, Jan 8, at 7:30 a.m., we have unemployment claims. On Friday, Jan 9, at 7:30 a.m., we have average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. At 9 a.m., we have prelim consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Let's look at the weekly forecast for crypto. For Bitcoin, our current support and resistance are 86631 and 89359. So if Bitcoin is able to break this resistance 89359, so we can expect a move higher till 94195. If it is unable to break the resistance and is able to break the support, then we can expect a move lower towards 82911. So these support and resistance are based on the daily time frame, and MACD is very positive, showing green and curling up. Even RSI is curling up, currently at 51, which is a good sign that it can move higher. For Solana, our support is 123 and resistance is 127.36. It has already broken the resistance, so we can wait for the pullback and can go long till 135.71. For XRP, our support is at 1.8213 and resistance at 1.9104. If it's able to break this resistance, so we can expect a long entry at 1.9036, target 2.2226. If it's able to break the support, we can go short, targeting 1.5914, but probability is more to go long as MACD is curling up and RSI is also showing a positive momentum. For Ethereum, support is at 288.8.62, resistance 3091. If it's able to break the resistance, we can go long, targeting 3274. If it's able to break the support, we can go short, targeting 2628. So to recap, Bitcoin is trying to break the resistance currently, and if it able to break, we can go long. Solana has already break the resistance. We can wait for the pullback to go long. XRP, we are waiting that if it could break the resistance, we can go long, targeting 2.2257. For Ethereum, we are waiting that if it could break the resistance, we can go long, targeting 3285. That's all for the crypto weekly analysis for this week. Hope you find these information useful. If you like this information, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. See you next week.